A neighbor shot this cell phone video of the house next door up in flames. It's hard to tell, but even the front porch is on fire.
You couldn't even tell it was a porch there. The flames were just covered. And it was going upstairs and then windows busting out in the back and flames coming out the back windows. It was horrible.
I heard a lot of screaming, like kids screaming. I'm like, it's too early to be outside playing, so I lifted up the bathroom window and the house was on fire.
The flames broke out just before 7 in the morning. Mom, dad, and their 9-year-old son Alex made it out alive. Their 15-year-old child was not home, but firefighters found 8-year-old Azzy Thomas dead on the second floor.
It's very sad that she passed. I mean, I don't think she got out of the bed.
Dante Brewer called 911. Neighbors remember seeing Azzy and her older brother playing outside. Now there's a burned up bicycle left behind. Neighbors say none of this makes sense.
To find out one of them didn't make it, it's really a sad situation.
I'm Derek Waller, News Channel 5.